Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Please subscribe our channel to give me energy to continue. Okay, we have 30 divided by 2 times 30 divided by 2 in parentheses. So 30 divided by 2 gives us 15, and now 2 times 15 gives us 30, and we have 130 here and divided between these. So 30 divided by 30 gives us 1, but this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way: first parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. According to this rule, we have one parenthesis here that we have to solve it first. So 30 divided by 2 gives us 15. Now we have 30 divided by 2, and we have one multiplication here and 15. According to the PEMDAS, as we know, multiplication and division are equally important, so we have to solve from left to right. Now 30 divided by 2 gives us 15, and now 15 times 15 gives us 225. The final answer is 225. Okay, 225. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.